pulled up at Matas's right now. Gonna pick up our side skirts. Put them on the car and then we'll see. Yeah, we'll check it out. Say what's up, Simply.
Side skirts.
This is Simply right here.
Sir.
Simply, that's his name, Simply. Got Simply holding it right now. Looks pretty good. All right, we're all loaded up.
We're a little cramped up.
A little cramped.
We'll make it. We'll make it.
Yeah, we got it in the 240.
Yes, sir.
All right, let's go home.
Such a hard. All right, your bite. We're driving right now, trying to get this man a bite. Look at this.
Oh, that's gonna fall like shit.
No, it's not. So he dropped it in the shifter earlier.
Oh,
and then he brake. Hurry up. Hurry up. Yes, sir.
Before we put the side skirts on, we have to clean all this goo off. Just gotta do the front and the other side. All this stuff has to come off. This side still has it. So yeah, we're gonna bust that off, clean it up, and then we should be ready to go. All right, we got this thing in there. I'm gonna drop the lip and take the wheels off. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do the suspension. We're gonna lower it just a little bit and then we're gonna start putting everything up. So the lip's gonna go. It looks good, except once we have everything else on, the lip sits lower than everything else, so it looks kind of weird, so that's gonna go. Now we're at a stage where we can do the side skirts and the valences. I'm doing some other stuff to it right now, but now let's drill and we're gonna 3M tape and we're gonna do it. So I'm gonna show you. I don't want it to be like, ah, shit. I don't know, maybe. Okay, we got the rear valence hands taped up. I have one self-tapper in there, the bottom one I pretty much just missed. So instead of making more holes, I'm just gonna leave it. It's pretty much in there and it's sturdy as is, so I don't wanna mess it up even more. So the fiberglass turned out to be more of a pain in the ass than I thought. We were trying to mount it up. Come check it out. We were trying to mount it up and it wouldn't stick because there was just too much material right here. So I took out the angle grinder and just got rid of all this on the side because we couldn't get it to sit flat. It was just, it looked like shit. So hopefully this will do the trick. So there's the car for the most part. Hold on. So there's the car for the most part, it's done, except we still have to do the sanding on the lip because I really don't like the way it sits right now. You can see it's like way higher on the front than it is the side. So we're gonna go ahead and put the lid back on, sand it up, make it all good. But I mean, that's it. And then the thing will look sweet. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.